Hey guys, welcome back. This is Reviewer Baba back again. This time with a review of this Apple keyboard. As you can see, this is Apple keyboard for iPad. So this is how it looks like. These are things it has. And now let's do an unboxing review for this. So back to my old opener tool. So this time I will do it like from this here. So let's see. Come on, it's coming out. I was thinking to do it gracefully, but I think this will not allow me to do gracefully. So let me do it in a bad way, which I didn't like it, but anyway. So you see, this is the one. There's still some plastic. So I don't know if you can see it. Okay. Now let me do an unboxing for this. So you just keep it like this, and then I think that's what you do. Lift it from top, and this should come up, pop up. Yeah. Oh yeah. So see, this is how it is. The box, empty box. Oh, this looks cool. Yeah. I don't know what is this. This is maybe the Apple logo. So yeah, this is Apple logo, just like any other watch or phone. There are some manuals. Nice. I thought at one point this is a Apple pen, but yeah, I got an amazing deal on this one. So yeah, therefore I purchased it, and this is how it looks like. So let me take it off this as well. This is how it looks. Okay, let me take it off from here. Nice and clean, and it looks sleek. So far I have not seen the keyboard yet. And this is you can see the finishing. So its finishing is like rubbery. I don't know if you can see it. It's like it's not plasticky. It's like a rubbery, grippy feeling. It's very premium thing, right? This is, I think, the magnet. You can see this is a magnet and charging or something. And it has a very minute logo engraved for Apple. And then I think this is the actual keyboard. So okay, this is nice. So let me take out many covers. Wow, sticking to the keyboard. So cover was sticking to the keyboard. This is how it looks like. So you can see, holding where the tablet will go, and this is where this will sit in. Let me try to see if I can grab one tablet and do it for you. Before it gets dirty, I want to put something here. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. And this is my tablet. Hope so. I don't know whether this is my tablet. This is Apple Generation 3 or something. I'm not sure how to sorry guys, I don't know how to connect it, but something like that. I'm not sure how it is. So maybe like this. I'm not sure. I'll figure it out. But anyway, this is just was an unboxing video, so I wanted to show it to you. But this is how it is so far. That's all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll post more videos on this once I am able to pair it and see how it works and how it looks and how it works. Thank you.